Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. Today I'm going to do a product review video for you guys.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to do a review on this rechargeable blender product. I did order this from Amazon, which I'm going to share a link into my description box in case you are interested in buying one. I'm going to share true review of this product and my experience, so keep on watching. So we are going to unpack this box. Alright, so once we open it, has a nice packaging, and let's take out the jar, blending jar. It's also coming with the rechargeable cable. So we ordered in a pink color, and this is how it looks. Not too big and not too small. It's just perfect size for 1 or 2 person wants to use it. And as you can see, it has a glass jar and stainless steel body. It looks like stainless steel, maybe it's just a cover. And there is a switch on the bottom. And there's one more switch right here on the body itself. So the bottom is the main switch, and the right here is just to turn on and off. And this is the charging connection, so you can charge your blender from here, and it is USB charging, so you can use wall brick or your computer or anything that you have a USB port to charge this blender. And you can also detach the glass jar. Just unscrewed it, so it's easy to clean. Rechargeable blender comes with this guidebook. It's just give you all the information, like what's the warning, you need to be careful, and how to charge, and how to install and how to use it. So all this kind of information you can find it in. And this is the charging cable. This is not too long. And just to show you how this blender works, here I'm just going to use one orange and just peel them and roughly chop them to blend into this blender. So here I'm chopping and peeling this orange. It's just into big cubes. And as you can see, all the orange is ready to go, and I'm just going to put everything into this blending jar. Alright, so let's start blending. So first thing you remember, you want to turn on the switch from the bottom that I showed you in the beginning of the video. There is a black switch on the bottom, so you want to turn that on. And after that, once you have your stuff in it, you just want to hold it like this and then keep on pressing this button until it starts running, and then you can release the button and it will keep on running, and just like this, and then you can just straight up the blender. And I realized while I was using it, I realized that if you put a lot of stuff, like I put one orange, if you put two orange in it, it will be little harder to blend it. So this is perfect for the soft fruit, I realized. So if you wanna grab and use it in your gym or office, it's perfect, but as long as you use soft fruit. Alright, so my juice is ready and I still have to filter this juice, and this is how much it came out after filtering. And this is a true product review video. I hope you like it. Please share with your friends and family, and the link is in the description box. If you want to purchase this product, you can click on that link. It will take you to directly to that Amazon page of where they sell this product. So thank you for watching.